Yo, what's up mga boss? Ito, Kai Soto, umiscore ng 20 points at 16 rebounds sa kanilang laro versus Ryukyu. Magamat talo sila, ay maganda naman ang pinakita ni Kai Soto. Ito, panoodin natin ang kanyang highlights.
The issue that this team is facing right now, they need to get it going and they get it inside and Soto goes up. A punishment with the offensive boards. Now Soto not said he's going to drive. Look at the agility of the big man. Careless on the drive. Soto again goes up and soft touch. The ball. Dangerous pass. Soto turns, goes against Deluma and scores. 29-point lead. Pass in the paint and Soto scores. Under the foul as well. It's in double digits. Double now. 10 points, 10 rebounds. Now he's got 12 points. Here he gets it back and he dunks it. He's got 14 points, but you can see he is puffing and puffing. Gibbs takes the handoff, gets it to Soto, throws it down.